Hey guys, this is Josh from PresPro, and I am out in Harrisburg at a property we just built on Fentandel. This is our Franklin plan, and I am going to take just a minute and walk you through the house. This is a kind of a cool spin on a modern farmhouse. It's got a pretty large first floor plan, and then a second, half of a second story with a couple really large rooms, but it's awesome. It's got painted brick, nice white painted brick. We put in real copper lanterns on the outside, so the home is just an absolutely beautiful home. And let me just get into the lockbox here. One thing you'll notice too about the house is, as you go back and look at the exterior elevation, is it's got an angled garage, which is a feature that a lot of people are really looking for. This house offers that, and you'll see once you get on the inside how that actually adds a ton of uniqueness to the home. So as you walk into the home, it's got a beautiful staircase, which is actually a 4-foot wide staircase, and it really opens it up. You've got some very nice boutique light fixtures in here, and as I wrap around here, you'll see the home is just absolutely gorgeous. It's very big, very large, lays wide open. So for people looking for an open floor plan, this house is absolutely perfect for them. In these areas, it's sometimes a little difficult to find an open floor plan, but this house absolutely delivers on that open floor plan look. So looking for the light fixture here. While I'm doing that, you can see the white kitchen with kind of a traditional farm styling, but on the modern side. It's got the white quartz with I don't know what color that is, probably like an iron ore colored island with a nice overhang to seat people. It's got a brass fixture and brass knobs, or they may even be like a brushed gold. And you can see it's just a very clean white kitchen. And it's got a ton of counter space, ton of cabinet space, and it just looks clean, it just looks fresh. As we go back into the master bedroom, you can see it's a little tough of an angle with this camera, but you can see we've got a tray ceiling in the home, and it opens up into the master bathroom, which has got a very large walk-in shower with a cultured marble, or a nice marble floor and a nice niche there. And as we wrap around, you'll see it's also got a freestanding tub. And as we wrap around one more time, a nice double vanity with a lot of drawers and storage space. It's even got a linen cabinet here right in the master bedroom, master bath. So it's got a very big closet. If we turn the light on, you can see that a little bit better. But it's got a really big closet, a ton of room for a his and hers area in the closet. As we walk back out into the main living area, you just get a different view here of the kitchen and the living area. Wide open, it's got a nice niche over the fireplace, a brushed granite surround on the fireplace, built-in cabinets. Again, the white with the brushed gold matching the kitchen. It's got a really nice covered porch overlooking the backyard. And it's in a great neighborhood here in Harrisburg called Fentandel, is where we built this one. But of course, we could build this on any other lot if you were interested. And let's walk back and check out some of the other rooms of the home. So off of the main living area, in the front, we've got either a bedroom or an office. It's got a closet in it if you'd like to use it for a bedroom, but it also is a really beautiful room for an office. Got a ton of bright light. And we've got another bedroom here in the back, right off of that room. And in between the two, you've got a full bathroom. So this is a 5-bedroom, 3 full bathroom house. We put granite in all of our bathrooms. We've got some really beautiful tile flooring here. A lot of gray tones in this house, trying to keep up with the modern look. One thing you also notice if you walk into this house is it just feels really spacious. And the reason for that is we have 10-foot ceilings in this home, which are bumped up to about 11 feet in the trays. So the home just feels really, really big inside. And as we wrap around here, we've got a half bath. So you've got a 3.5 bath home. You've got a half bath here off of the back hallway. You've got some built-in cabinetry. And this is a huge laundry room, which has got a really cool parquet tile flooring. But it's got a nice folding table, an area for you to store laundry detergent and that sort of thing. And then it opens up out to a nice sized garage. So let's walk upstairs really quickly and we will be done with our tour. So as we walk up, again, it's got a 48-inch wide staircase and a nice sized bedroom right at the top of the stairs. Really bright. Every room in this house is just so bright. And you've got a nice view of the neighborhood. We'll even have a better view out of the next one. As you walk down the hallway, we've got another full bathroom here. Again, granite countertops, tub shower. And this is the bonus room, or the 5th bedroom of the house. Just a really nice size, big bedroom. Super bright, gorgeous views around the neighborhood. Outside the home, right out this window, you've got a very beautiful custom home that we're building across the street. And just gorgeous views out the window. So I hope you have enjoyed this home. Please contact us. Again, check out our website, PresPro.com, or you can call us, 704-453-2700. Or if it's easier to reach out by email, please send us an email at newhomes@prespro.com. I really appreciate your time walking through the house with me and hope you loved it.